Hi guys, welcome back to another episode, Marcus Media. Once again, I'm featuring Horizon Construction and Remodeling. Today, I'm currently in Fountain Valley, California, specifically on the Green Brook Community Homes. You're looking at a single-story house with a two-car attached garage. This house was built in 1971. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The interior has been fully remodeled. Okay, so today Horizon Construction Remodeling is going to work on the windows and the exterior paint. So I'm going to move my way around so you guys can see most of the house from the front of the street. Very beautiful single-story house, guys. Built in 1971. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And obviously it's a single-story house with high vaulted ceilings on the inside, with a Spanish tile roof. And let me give you guys a shot of the sound wall and show you that it's the Green Brook Community Homes. Corner lot. So usually corner houses are more desirable and the lot sizes are a little bigger. Therefore you'll be paying a little more. And there's enough space in the back for an ADU if you choose to have one built. Reach out to Horizon Construction Remodeling for any consultation, questions, or concerns about construction related services, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.